What's up guys, I'm back with a brand new video. So today I will be showing you how to display text and drawings on microbit. So you go here on input, you take this block on button A pressed, you go on basic, you take this block show string, and I'm going to type sub to Jacklove, and then I'm going to duplicate this. I'm going to click B, and I'm going to type sub to love Jack, and then I'm going to duplicate this again. I'm going to click A plus B, and I'm going to type sub to Jack love and love Jack, and that's it. Let's see if it works. Sub to Jack love, and then we're going to press B, sub to love Jack, and then we're going to press A plus B, and let's see if it works. Sub to Jack love and love Jack, love Jack. I hope you liked the video. Have a good day and goodbye.